How's it going? Today's Monday, and it's been like rainy, cool, rainy, But it finally stopped raining, so I thought, well, I'll take the advantage of this clear moment to stop in and say, how's it going? I thought you might want to go with a little walk with me just for a few minutes. Ain't nothing wrong with that, is there? Taking a walk, getting your mind off your problems. Everybody's got problems. You get one problem solved, there's always another and follows it. Always has been that way, always will be that way. But anyway, you want to go walking with me? Are you ready? Okay, anyway. I came back down here where Rockwood Mansion is, see? Because it's a really peaceful and quiet right here. Sometimes I come here because it's quiet. It's good every now and then to get away from all that racket, Hey, I found a basketball. Check it out, dude. I don't know if you can see it down there or not. Step it. Watch me go out there and drown. Never know. Yeah, it finally quit raining. That basketball's flatter than a flater. It'd be alright. We'll just leave it down there. Anyway, I thought we'd go on a little walk. Catch some air and space from everybody. It's good to do that. Get away from everybody for a little while and gives you time to think, Don't think too much, you go crazy. Trust me. Anyway, this is where I'm at. This is where I'm going. Can you see it? I was looking online earlier this morning, and I seen where they had this satanic ritual in front of the Capitol building, right there on the steps of the Capitol. Yeah, satanic ritual. This world's gone to hell in a handbasket, people. You hear me? I ain't joking you. It's bad. Look at that pretty scenery. Okay. Takes you away from your troubles there for a few minutes, don't it? Better than sitting there looking at the paint peel off a wall. Like I said before in my videos, to clean your house so much, Once you get it clean, then what? Make a mess? Clean it again? After a while, you just gotta get out of there, Get some air, some space, some wind. Man, these trees look weird. Look at that. It's wild, ain't it? It's like they just stacked them up over there. Probably doing that to keep people from, jumping over there. Here comes all the ducks or the geese or whatever. Some across the bank over there. What do y'all think about that freaking coronavirus crap? What do you think about that? They say Lysol kills that stuff. That's what it says on the back of the can. Now they're saying if you just keep your hands washed, which is bull crap, because if it's the bacteria, that's in the air, ain't it? Something like that. Bacteria. It could be anywhere. Look here behind me. Check this out. Bet you there's a beaver in there. You reckon? Look here. See him? See that? Even the ducks are bitching at each other. I know, shut up, Dana. Anyway, I'm gonna give you a moment of silence here. Okay? You ready? Don't you feel better? I do. There's a bunch of liquor bottles people been down here drinking. It's always somebody got to ruin it, don't they? But the thing is, you don't let it affect you, right? Whatever somebody's doing, and that's the way the devil does. He gets all that got started up because they don't want you being happy. You know, the devil gets in people. It's like you see these people. Let me tell you this. Like you see these people on that old meth and stuff. Them people ain't in their body a bit more than nothing. You got a demon in there running around. That ain't no joke. Them people have no control of their functions. None. It just opens the door to let demons come in and they just take over. Remember that dude that time it was on the news? I don't know what year it was. It ain't been that long ago, but it might have been 2013 or something like that. Anyway, that dude was on all that stupid meth crap or crack or whatever it is, and went down through there and got this guy, some homeless guy, beat the crap out of that guy, and then was eating his face, literally, with his teeth, eating his face off. Well, about 6 police show up with guns and all that stuff. It was on the news. I don't know if y'all remember. It took 6 freaking cops shooting at that dude to kill him because he was getting shot and he just kept on eating that guy's face. That guy was a homeless dude. He wasn't bothering nobody. Tell me that wasn't no demon. I'm telling you. A lot of people don't want to talk about that kind of thing, but you need to know a little bit about them. In case you run into one, you know, get the hell away from me, dude. You know what I'm saying? You know to avoid crazy people like that. I mean, you gotta be careful. Whenever you go into a public place, know where the exit is as soon as you go in the building. No matter where it is, restaurant, wherever. Know where the exit is. You never know, man. You could be going through the grocery department down there at Walmart. Some lunatic come in with a freaking sawed-off shotgun, start blowing people off the planet. Well, you know me, I'm gonna head for the damn back door. If I gotta crawl to get there. You can either go with me or you can keep your butt there. You know what I'm saying? But in all the evilness that is in the world, there is also beauty in the world too. Don't forget to look at it. Let me show you something. This is a sign of hope. Look. Ain't that pretty? That's a sign of hope. Look here. Let me show you this. This is pretty cool too. I showed it once in my video before, but how much you reckon the rent is for that? And that birds and them, they don't have to worry about rent or nothing. Get through there, ain't that beautiful? Look at that. We live in a really beautiful place. We really do. But everybody's so busy going here, going there, doing this, doing that. They don't even take time to look at it. Every now and then you gotta stop and say, wait a minute, I gotta catch my breath, you know. I gotta look around a little bit. Yeah. I hope y'all's day's good. I really do. Don't let people get you down. People will do that too if they can. They don't want to see you smiling because they ain't smiling. I wouldn't give a crap. Smile anyway. Live your life. Who cares what they think? They ain't traveling your shoes. Be happy. Find your happy place in your mind while you're working. I used to do it all the time. I gotta go punch today, man. I'm about too old to do all that walking. Oh, goodness. See, it turned out to be a beautiful day. My papa used to tell me all the time. I used to tell him, I used to say, Papa, I hate it when it's raining. And he'd say, yeah, my family calls me Tootie. Well, the ones that passed away called me Tootie. Nobody calls me Tootie anymore except my youngest grandbaby. Or next to the youngest grandbaby, Annie. Anyway, he told me, he said, without rain, you wouldn't have no pretty flowers. Or no green grass, or no pretty trees. When I was little, I was like, well, that's true, you know. Gotta take the good with the bad so you can make it better. Anyway, there's so much happening to little kids nowadays, and all of them coming up missing. It's BS if you ask me. That ain't right, man. I've said it 100 times. It's sad. Well, I guess I'll get off here. I just wanted to stop in. Take a few minutes to say hello to you. And you are loved very much. Don't forget that you're loved. I mean, look, let me show you something. Check this out. Overlook my old drink or whatever, but see that back there? Look how pretty that is back through there. All that was made for you to enjoy. Really. No matter whose name's on what, it's still there for you to enjoy. It's what you call eye candy. Anyway, we'll have a good day today, okay, people? Have a relaxing evening. Let your body rest. Let your mind rest. Eat you a good supper. Watch a funny movie, you know. Try to raise your vibrations. The reason you do that, because that helps to boost your immune system too. Did you know that? It's true. It really is. You got to be happy. You got to feel happy, not just pretend to be happy. You have to make yourself happy. You can do that. Find things you enjoy doing. You know. As long as you ain't running down the road naked or something. Just kidding. Well, anyway. I love you. Peace. Oh, one more thing before you go. Excuse me. Sorry. I wanted to explain something to you about my face. I have some kind of rash that's come up on my face and on my neck. I don't know if you can see it in this video or not, and it's on my forearms. And it just itches me to death, and I have no idea what it is. I've not changed my soap or anything. But other people I've seen online are getting the same thing. Some people say it's like a form of strep throat, but my throat's not hurting or nothing, so I don't know. But I just wanted to explain to you why my face is so red. And why I have on no makeup. I look like I've been hit by a truck. But I'm trying to let my face breathe. Maybe it'll get rid of all that redness. Can you see it? Well. Okay. Peace.